In the previous sessions, we have seen 14 rules of how to form singular and plurals. Now, let us see some exercises where you can use all these rules. Here are some exercises for you. The first exercise is write the plurals of. Here you are given a set of singular words for which you have to write the plurals. Let us now see the given set of singular words. First question, book. Second, door. Third, bench. 4, city. 5, play. Question number 6, shelf. Question 7, life. Question 8, volcano. Question 9, stereo. The 10th question is mouse. Question 11 says box. 12, ass. 13, fox. 14, sheep. 15, pear. 16, alphabet. The 17th question is mathematics. And the last question is sister-in-law. Now, let us see the answers. I believe you were able to find the plural nouns for the given singular nouns. Here, you can cross-check your answers. The first question, book. We are just adding yes to the book to form the plural books. The second question is door. Here is more than enough to add the alphabet S, so it becomes doors. Third question is bench. It ends in CH, so you have to add ES. Hope you remember it. So bench becomes benches. City is the fourth question. Here Y is dropped out and instead of Y you are adding IES, which becomes cities. The fifth question is play. You are adding yes to play and it becomes place. Sixth question is shelf. So here you are dropping down F and adding VES and it becomes shelves. The seventh question is life. The same as the sixth question, you are dropping down F and E and then you are adding VES to get lives. The eighth question is volcano. Here you are adding ES and it becomes volcanoes. The ninth question is stereo. So here you are adding S to get stereos. The 10th question given is mouse. Here you are replacing OUSE by ICE and singular mouse becomes mice in plural. The 11th question, box. Here I just add ES to get boxes. The same is the matter with the 12th and the 13th question, as. The 12th question is as. I am adding ES to get the plural word asses. The 13th question is fox. It is in singular. To make it plural, I am adding ES. The 14th question is sheep. It doesn't change in plural. In plural also we say it as sheep. The 15th question is pay. It is the same as the singular pay, only you get. The 16th question is alphabet. The plural form is alphabet only. The 17th question is mathematics. So in plural also it is mathematics only. The 18th question is sister-in-law. Here the important word is sister. It becomes sisters-in-law in plural. Now let us see in detail. Here the answers do become does. Why? Because the singular noun do is the singular noun do is made into plural by just adding s at the end of the word. The next question is bench. It becomes benches because bench ends in ch sound. So you have to add es to make it plural. Don't you remember the rule that says that when a word ends in ch sound, you have to just add es. Now comes city. The plural form of city was seen to be cities. Remember, the noun that ends with the letter Y, and before the letter Y you must have a consonant. So here the consonant is T in the word city. So the plural form of city is cities, and it is obtained by changing Y into IES. The next question is play, and the answer was seen to be place. The same was the previous question. City, it ended in Y. Play also ends in Y, but there in city you added IES by dropping out Y. But here you are not dropping out Y. Instead you are just adding S. Why? Because in the word city it ends in Y, but you had a consonant before Y. Whereas in the word play, it ends in Y, but you have a vowel in front of, or rather before, the letter Y. So if you have a word before the Y, then you will be just adding S. Instead, if a word ends in Y and before Y you have a consonant, then you will have to just drop down Y and add IES. Hope you would have understood the difference between the two. The next I am discussing about the word box. Box become boxes in plural. Box. When you pronounce the word box, it ends with a hissing sound. So you will have to add es to the noun box as boxes to make it into plural. Again here I am placing in front of you the word ass. The plural of ass is asses. The word ass when pronounced ends with a hissing sound. So as per the rules we saw, we are just adding es to make it plural. Again the word comes fox. The plural form of fox is foxes. The word fox ends with the letter X. So as per the rules that we saw, we just add es to make it into plural. Let us see the other words like sheep, pear, mathematics, alphabet. These words remain the same whether it is in singular or in plural.